Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Prasad Patil. Today we have performed the Arduino program with the help of two LEDs, and we have taken two buttons over here. And previously we did with the one LED and one push button, but here we are taking two LEDs and two push buttons. So the moment I press this push button, automatically this uh, LEDs will turn on, and here the output will get the binary output here will get as 1. If you see here, see, it's very fast over here. We need to keep a delay. So basically we have connected these two LEDs with the 330 ohm resistors, and this push button is connected with the resistor of 10k ohm, 10,000 ohm. Now the first LED where we have the positive end of this LED will go to the 7th pin of the digital section, and the negative terminal will go to the along with the resistor will go to the ground section. And here we have done the common ground system. We have connected all the ground at a one particular wire. So here we are using a common wire, and from here now let us go to the push button. Push button, the this part, this end of the wire, huh, upper left pin will go to the sixth pin of the digital section, and the rightmost bottom pin will go to the ground section. Sorry, it goes to the 5 volts VCC, and the leftmost bottom will go to the ground section. Similar connection is done with this LED. And for a kind information, here the positive terminal of the LED is connected to the second pin, and the left topmost pin of the push button is connected to the fourth terminal, the yellow color wire. So it is connected to the fourth terminal of the digital section. And as usual, we have connected this to the USB port. Now let us see the programming section. Basically, in every Arduino programming, here we have two methods: void setup and void loop. And outside these methods, we have called btn pin 1 equal to 4, button value 1 equal to 0, and led 1 equal to 2. Btn pin 2 is equals to 6, button value 2 is equals to 0, and led 2 is equals to 7. So what does this btn pin 1 4 says? It says that the top leftmost pin is connected to the fourth terminal. So here we have represented with the help of btn pin 1 4. So similarly, with respect to the top leftmost of this push button will go to the sixth pin. And the led one, now this is called led one. Okay, the led one, the positive terminal of the led one will go to the second terminal. So that's why here we have given 2, led one equal to 2. Similarly, with respect to this led, it will go to the seventh pin of the digital section. So positive terminal of the led will go to the seventh pin of a digital section. Now, two things I would like to include here. Here we have VCC. We are given common connection, and we are given common ground connection to the power section. Now let us look at the setup method. So setup method is executed only once. So here we are using serial dot begin 9600. Now pin mode btn1 dot input, right? So here we are taking the what? Here we are taking the input, right? Now similarly pin mode led1 dot output means what, at led1 equal to 2, at a second pin we are giving the output. Next one, pin mode btn2, btn pin 2 comma input means what, btn pin 2 means sixth, at the sixth pin we are taking the input, and the same input we are processing and we are giving it to the led2 means which pin, seventh pin I am giving the output. So this is all about the setup method. Now let us go to the loop method. For your kind information, setup method is executed only once, and loop method is executed again and again till we want to execute it. So here we are declaring, already it is declared the int btn value. Here we have initialized, btn. Let me show this. So here we have taken two variables, global variables, btn, where there are six variables, but out of these I am concerned about two variables. Button value 1 equal to 0 and button value 2 is equal to 0. Now here what we are doing is button value 1 equal to digital read btn1 means what is btn1, just see now where, what is btn1, which, what is the value of btn1, from the fourth pin. Okay, so from the fourth pin I'm reading it, right, and I'm printing those values onto the serial monitor. Serial dot println equals to, give me a second, serial dot println button first value. So we just want to confirm, we just want to show it on the screen that the moment I press btn1 I should get the binary answer, like if it is 0, if it is turned off it will be 0, if it is turned on it will be 1. So here we are printing the serial dot println button value 1. So here we are printing the value of button value. Okay, next one, digital write led button value. So what we are doing, so whatever the button value is there, we are putting it into the bracket along with the led1, because we are focused, the button value 1 is focusing on the led1 to turn on the light. Similarly with respect to button value 2, here we are reading the btn2, btn pin 2. So what is btn pin 2, it is sixth, it is what, it is the, it is the sixth brown color wire, it is the sixth pin. Okay, so we are reading it, right? Now serial dot print ln button second value. Okay, second button value or button second value, no problem. Serial dot print ln, we are printing the button value 2, and after that digital write, then we are giving instruction to the led2 with respect to button value 2. So this is all about the code. Now let me execute by pressing the, okay, just let me execute this program first. Let us go first verify and compile, and then we will go for upload. So let us see the output. Already output is displayed. See, button first value, button second value means, so it's like it's working alternatively. So here I'm getting the value. So suppose if I press here btn 1, then I'm getting the button first value as 1. Well, it is very fast, we cannot see the output, but here we can see the existence of turning on, led. So the moment I press btn 1, then I'll get led1 turned on. The moment I press btn 2, then I'll get led2 turned on. So this is all about the combination of two leds and turning off and turning on with the help of push button. So that's all about this program. I hope you like it. Please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you.